Recording
Mag-mute muna
started.
ako kasi mukhang magmumura ako dito sa...
Okay.
Punta ka na sa store.
Ako?
Tapos ano, It Takes Two, Friends Pass.
Store. It takes two. Nasa store na ako. Nakalagay, install game. Meron na ako nun. Ano ba bang sinesearch mo? Magkasama na tayo dito sa laro.
Wait lang. Double check ko lang.
Dito ka na.
Yan, game.
Game. Yan.
Hey,
How was your day?
great. The toaster broke and Rose refused to eat her vegetables.
How did it go at the dentist?
The dentist?
Don't tell me you forgot about the dentist appointment.
No, I didn't forget. I thought you were taking her tomorrow.
No, it was today. I'm working tomorrow.
But it's Saturday.
I know, I've got to work overtime.
You have to do that every week?
Oh, Cody, I'm not in the mood for this discussion again.
Hey, Rose needs both of us, okay?
That's not fair.
May anak na
Using her.
sila.
I'm not using her. I'm just stating a fact. Why don't we just go ahead and tell her that we're divorcing?
Oh, just like that?
May, this isn't it.
Let's not tell her. Let's stay friends instead. Yes, let's stay friends forever. I love you, Cody. I love you too, May.
Sad.
Baligtad, babe. Ikaw yung lalaki dyan.
Ay. Paano mo nalaman? Sa kulay?
Kung nasaan side ako.
Okay. Makes sense.
Last time si May. Tumutong.
Tibuan.
Wasted my life.
May kwento to. Ang ganda. Pero sad.
Kung ako yun, napapanot na.
Grabe yung GPU net. Kumain ng GPU to Naka 99%
Take out for
ako.
a sec. All right.
Babaan kaya natin yung...
Hindi, okay lang. Ano lang ako kasi ibang laro ko.
Hindi, sa'yo naman yun eh. Wala namang kinalaman yung ano.
Hindi, okay nga lang, babe. Go lang. Para nagagamit yung
Babaan ko
GPU.
na lang yun sa akin. Kasi medyo naglalag yung sa akin.
Okay. Sa akin para magamit. para ma-utilize siya. Kasi yung ibang laro, Back 4 Blood, mga 25, mataas na yung 30. Ito lang yung may pinakamataas kumain ng GPU. Ang binayaran ko to Ala siya dyan.
Rose, honey, you know we love you.
Naglalag sa akin.
Sige.
Sometimes that means that we have to do stuff that isn't always very fun.
What we're trying to say, darling, is that, well, Mum and Dad, we've decided to go our separate ways.
Okay. Can I go and play in my room?
Yeah, of course, sweet.
Dr. Hakim, you have to help me now. They have to stay together. Look, it says here, love is work, see? You have to work on it. You can't just give up. Mom, Dad, I wish you could be friends again.
What is this? What is it? Oh, help! Hello! Help!
Cody, I'm trying to sleep. Shut up.
May, is that you?
Cody! Why do you look like a blob of clay?
Why do you look like a wooden doll? Oh no! Look at that.
What have you done?
What? Why do you always blame me? Huh?
Yes. Why do you always blame him?
Thank you. Oh!
What is that?
I'm
Dr. Haki, worldwide bestseller and an expert on love. Your daughter purchased me. She was lucky. I was the last copy because I was selling the best. I kept millions of couples, and now I will help you to get together again.
This is definitely a nightmare. I need to wake up. Mom!
No! No! Oh, May! May! Oh, you're back!
Oh my god, you can't wake up here.
Exactly.
Okay, Mr. Book. So, how do you wake up?
Cody, May, you're here to fix your relationship.
We just fixed it.
Yeah, we're divorcing. It's all good.
No, I will help you fix your relationship. Chapter 1, fix your relationship. Plus, I promise your daughter to fix your marriage. See, love is like a mountain.
Oh,
Like
look,
a river.
May, it's Rose.
Flowers growing in the
Come on, let's get to her. She must know what's going on.
Butterflies floating in the mountains like lovebirds. You know what I'm saying? Hello? Hello?
Okay, ako to. Okay, try ko muna. A yung jump.
But we can't reach them. We're tiny.
Well, let's find a way.
Okay, X dash. Ano yung B? Ah, wala. Okay, A, B. AX lang. Eh? Ito ba yan? Ah, dito. Ay, hindi, may Y.
Cody, come help me pull this down.
Babe!
Sino?
Ah, nakikita
Balik
kita.
ka.
Okay,
Di ba
B
nakikita,
cancel.
balik ka, boy.
Kaya nakikita ko yung pub mo. Babe, di ba? Dalawahan to.
Ah, sabi ko nga.
Paano mapalitan yung pub? Ay, yung
Okay.
Ay, di.
Ito.
Y.
Hey, May. Whoa, May. May, they're alive.
What is going on here?
I have no clue.
Sabihin na pagagamitin mo na yung
What's
phone
going
ko.
on? We can't lower that
Yung?
staircase without
Hindi,
those
ikaw, sorry,
fuses.
Those fuses? They just ran away. I mean, did you see them on their little fuse legs?
Oh, worry about that later. Let's just bring them back.
May, my body feels weird.
Because you're made of clay. Keep your eyes on the fuses.
Hey, don't you feel weird? I mean, you're made of wood.
A bit stiff,
Okay.
Same here.
but it's getting better the more I move.
I hope so.
Cody, would you please focus?
All right. Let's get those fuses.
Yun. Ay, puki! No!
It's trapped. Let's get it out of there.
Wait lang, ba't ganun yung pub ko? Bakit ganito?
Slippery fella, huh?
Ah, okay. Papalitan. Ah, okay. Got it. Ah, okay. Sorry, papunta na.
Hindi ka, hindi ka. Dito.
Pwede pala mapalitan yung pub.
Dito.
Okay, ito na.
Panoorin mo ako.
Parkour! Ah! Oh my god! Okay. A.
Look!
Fuck!
Ah,
Sa edge, sa
kailangan
edge,
mo mag-bounce muna dun. Kailangan mo muna mag-bounce. Hindi, kailangan mo muna mag-bounce. Diba, jump ka muna.
Oh.
Yan. Pagka nag-bounce ka na dun sa saw, saka ka mag-double jump.
Fuck!
Pero kailangan mo pa rin ng directional input. Huwag mong bitawan yung forward kapag tumalong ka na.
Shit!
Ah, hindi ka nag-double jump, sa. Mag-YouTube muna, okay.
Oh, fuck! Shit, wait lang. Double jump is AA, di ba? Okay.
X
Eh.
yung sa akin, nabot.
Ah, okay. Malapit na eh. Feeling ko eh.
Genta ba yun, genta. Wait lang. Baka hindi naman kailangan mag-bounce. Wait lang. Andito ka muna kasi bumababa yung ano. So, testing lang natin. Ganun lang. Talong ka lang. Takbo ka lang.
Again.
Layo. Masyadong ano.
Layo. Okay.
Sa edge ka. Hindi, tumakbo ka yan. Ako. Diyan. Wag mo bibitawan. Pag nandun ka na sa kahoy, talon. Isa
Ay, malapit na.
Dive ata yung ginagawa mo.
Fuck!
Hindi square. Ano ba yung nasa left?
X sa akin
Ano ba
eh.
yung nasa left?
X.
Hindi, yung A. Yung pinakababa.
A,
Ano
X.
yung nasa pinakababa?
Pinakababa?
Yan. Ano yun? Yan.
Yung jump ko, A.
Oh, pagkadating mo dun sa kahoy habang tumatakbo ka, A.
Oh, yan, A.
Hindi, tumakbo ka. Galing sa likod. Yan, takbo lang. Hindi, pagdating dun sa kahoy.
Tuloy-tuloy na ako.
Sa candle. Oo, diretso lang.
Finally. Op. Ikaw. B, crouch.
Hindi kasi biyok sa akin, PlayStation yung sa akin. na ano.
Ay, sorry. Papares tayo.
Alam mo, galing may ano.
May animation siya. LS. Toggle sprint. Ayun.
Ipindutin mo yung analog. Hindi ko gusto,
Analog.
pwede kong palitan.
LS? Ano yun? Parang ito? Parang wala ako nun.
Yung analog mo sa left, ipapress mo.
Nakapos eh. Ikaw kasi yung may full control. Pagkabalik na lang.
Ano ko babaguhin?
Accessibility yata yung ko.
Bawal, or yung ayoko yun. Ayoko ng laro na gumagamit ng photo na.
Ano yan? Paano mo ginagawa yan?
Wala ka bang left analog?
Wala yata. Pinipindot ko na eh.
Gagalaw ka habang naka-hold.
Mukhang hindi ito yun. Try natin to. Hindi rin. Ano yun?
May left analog ka ba?
Hindi ko nga alam yung analog exactly kung ano yun. Pinipindot ko
Yung
lang yung...
stick. Yung stick na pinanggagalaw, yun yung analog. Yan, paano ka naglalakad? Yan.
Okay.
Ito ba? Hindi ba ito?
Hey, let's do this together.
Okay, okay.
Jump inside of surface. Ito? Ito. Huli ka. Fuck. Tangin na lang. Fuck. Dito tayo.
Wait mo lang. Jump, double jump, tapos dash.
Tupot.
Hihintayin mo siya. Hindi. Hihintayin mo yung ano, parang papakiramdaman mo siya, babe. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo dun sa screen ko. Di ba parang ganun? Yung moment na parang pababa ka na, doon ka magdo-double jump. Ganun.
Okay.
Ganun ulit.
Okay.
Dash, nakalimutan mo mag-dash.
Okay. Paano to? Yung X hindi. Nagago! Napirat ako.
Baka nakapatutulak ka.
Ayan. Nice one.
Whoa, I think this powers up the saw.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Ito naman kuryente yung bagay.
Hey, man.
Why?
I need you over here.
Yay!
Oh my god, man!
Ay! Huli ka.
Wow.
Wala nag-slow.
Hey, May, did you see my flip? Let's do it again.
Oh, we're not here to do flips.
Oh no, you're right. This is serious. We're hunting fuses with legs.
All right, this is the last one. Let's put it in. Oh, perfect.
Let's go.
Ano?
What just happened?
Oh, those damn fuses. Oh,
May, there she is. Rose.
Rose, darling.
Oh no! Not you again.
Oh, move out of the way, you stupid fuck.
Yeah, get out of the way. I need to go and talk to my daughter. Your daughter? Oh, you talk like you own her. Ask yourself, can you really own the people you love? You just let us through. Come on. I will. But first, there's someone I want you to
Kanino
meet.
ka lang?
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Ta-da! Oh,
May tao dito, babe, sorry.
how was that?
Why do I recognize your voice?
Washing machine yata.
Oh, what? No, we've never met. Sorry.
Looks a bit like a vacuum cleaner.
Oh yeah, because it is your vacuum cleaner. Yo, vacuum, ¿qué pasa? You know who this guy is? Let me tell you, this is Cody. You know, the guy who suck up all kinds of crap in your stomach. Oh, no, that's
That's you? You ruined my bowels with all that crap.
crap. But I was just sucking up dust. That was it. Just. That's
Get there.
disgusting. Oh, look, there it is.
You call that dust?
Well, I mean, some of it. It's.
So that's why it broke down. It was your fault.
Oh,
And you promised him you'd fix me.
thank you.
Instead, you put me away for life in here.
Ang dumi-dumi na niya ni Cody Clay. Ano yan?
Hmm.
Oh. You want to get back to Rose?
Yes.
You want to talk to your daughter?
Yes.
Then you need to climb the vacuum together. Oh, come on.
Why are you doing this to us?
Because you two must learn collaboration.
That's not our strong point.
Aha! You know, collaboration is the key to a successful relationship. Huh? Collaboration. You understand? Now, I'll see you later. Hasta la vista. Good luck. Bye now. Crazy book.
This would never have happened if you hadn't broken it.
Oh, yeah? Well, this would never have happened if you had fixed it like you promised.
Well, I didn't know we'd end up in a place where our vacuum cleaner's alive.
Well, now we are. Huh? Maybe we're stuck here forever.
Forever? No way. We're getting a divorce.
Yeah, I know we're getting a divorce, but we can't do that unless we get back into our real bodies.
Okay. Let's climb that damn vacuum cleaner.
You know, I wonder where that annoying book even came from.
He said rose book.
Yeah. Well, he doesn't sound like a book she would buy.
More like pretend.
Ay, gago, tubig pala yun.
More like pretentious self-help book you'd buy.
You know, self-help books are very important to some people, okay?
Forget about the book. Let's get to Rose.
Ah! Tik na. Babe! Ah, shit! Fuck. Dapat hindi magkapahigop dun. Ay, magkapahigop. Tama.
No!
Eh! Ayan. Ay, hindi.
Ah, gago. Ano yun? So hindi lahat. Uy, patay ka dyan!
Ay, gago. Kala ko lilipad ako.
May,
Ah, yan dito.
jump inside the hose.
Ah, okay, okay.
Drop me.
Wait lang. Ay, puta. Babe! Ayan, yan. Paano ka?
Pindutin mo nga yun.
Ito.
Yung red. Yung red.
Ayan.
Jump tapos.
Ayan.
Yan.
Tapos.
Naging push na yung napusap
Okay.
na namatay kanina.
Ah, okay.
Ayan. Ah, shit.
Yak, ang baho nito dito. May mga ipis.
Gago! Napindot ko yun.
Bubo. B yung napindot. Ay, gago. Ulit dito, ulit.
Galing ah.
Ito yung sabi mo yung technique eh.
Ikaw naman, Dave. Ikaw naman, Dave.
Okay, okay. Sige.
Di dyan. Di dyan.
Ah,
Tutok mo lang, ano mo lang pataas.
Inside.
Please be gentle.
Yan.
oop.
All right. The current has reversed.
That's reverse.
Tapos, ay hindi, pasak to eh. Yung nasa pub ko, nasa side ko. Hindi kaya ito.
Alam ko na. Yan, ako naman. Tututok ko dun saan.
Anong gagawin ko?
Kabilang ano naman, butas.
Ah, doon ako pasok.
Yes.
Doon na. Ah, okay. Paano ka?
Ano? Yan, may button.
Ah, ito.
What is that?
Tatalon tayo dito. Ay! Again. What the fuck? Ulit ako.
That was kind
Wait
of
lang.
fun, actually.
I-guide mo lang yung ano, in mid-air yung...
Ah, hindi pwede. Diretso dito. Paduga.
Rotate camera. Yan.
Dito ako sa ano.
Yan, talon.
Hindi pwede ako dumiretso dun.
Hindi, tatalon. Okay.
Hindi ako pwede.
Pwede yan, double jump.
Ah, oo nga no.
Shoot! Nice.
Not bad. Here you go.
Just keep holding that.
Ay, gago! Sorry! Sorry, babe. Go! Dali!
Okay lang, paano ka na? Dali.
Oo nga pala. Go lang. Unang wire mo.
Okay, ayun na. Pasok dun sa electric fan. Sa exhaust.
Ah, okay.
Alis ka dyan. Yan, pasok ka dyan. Pinatay ko na. Kasi naka-on yan kanina dahil
Yun.
nahanginan siya nito. Ito, tingnan.
Kita ka.
So, ano to? Dito ka na, babe. Dito ka, ganun. So, connect ka dyan. Magkabit dito ka.
Gago, ginawa kong conduit.
Next! Wala.
Ulit, sorry, pak. ulit.
After mo dito.
Dito na lang
diretso
ako,
ka Dito.
Okay, gets.
Hindi ka dyan. Ay, hindi, sige, diyan ka na.
Doon ka na lang, mas mabilis sa
Second
tumakbo.
na lang. Pag pindot mo nitong button, takbo ka dyan sa may danger na yan. Yan, kung nasaan ka. Yan. So, pipindutin mo pa rin yung button.
Okay.
Gets? Takbo!
Go, babe!
Damn, too slow.
Too slow.
Kanina kasi pangit yung dash na.
Ako na nga dyan nga, ni. Go, babe! Nice.
Totally worth the
Kanina kasing dash yun. Yung kayo ko talaga yun, putang ina.
Wee! Wee! Wee!
Ay, gago namatay ako.
Wee! Parkour, yeah. B crouch.
Kaya ako pala parkour!
Eh. Paano makaalis?
Ito.
Yung pala, butas pala yun, kagi. Ay, siya dito na nakikita ako sa IG.
Patay na ako. Bullshit.
What the f- Yes. Shit.
Mali.
Okay lang yan. Timing. Nice. Parkour. Go, babe.
Putang inang yun.
Kaya may...
Wala eh.
Bakit? Naganyan din ako kanina. Parang ano ba? AA lang ako, jump.
Ano to?
Oo. Ay, hindi. Dapat baliktad to.
Yan.
Ayun, yung kabila. Hindi eh. Ayan. Ay, hindi.
All right, give it a whirl.
Okay. Kala ko kailangan...
Hindi, ikutin mo.
Ay, gago!
Kapit.
Ikot ko pa rin?
Hindi, kapit doon.
Anong gagawin ko?
Kapit, ikot ka dyan.
Alright, stop
Ah.
spinning.
Ayun. Paano ka?
May button yata dyan sa taas ng court. Bueno.
Yun nga eh. Kaso hindi ako makaakyat. Dito yata. Lang. Ito nga. Yan.
Okay.
Ay, gago! Tumatalbog! mo, gago. Akala ko stable siya.
Keep moving. We're getting closer to the
Shit.
Isa lang, tumulit. Sige lang, hanggang sa na makatawid ka.
Ikaw muna, babe. Para makita ko. Double jump lang yan.
Hindi. Yung dash, yung mid-air dash.
Okay.
Pagkadikit mo, hindi mo na kailangan tumalon. Yung mid, yan. Hindi, wag kang mag-shortcut. Ano yun mo talaga, para mag-alternate ka. Yan.
Shit. Lang. Supot.
Ganito mo yung camera mo. Para medyo nakikita mo kung saan ka mapunta. Yan, mga ganyan. Yan. Nakikita mo yung shadow mo, ayun o. Nice! Manis.
Thanks, babe.
Galing. Tumalo ka naman, yan, dun sa green.
Ako sa red?
Hindi,
Ah, sa
dun
green.
Ikot.
Ikot.
Yan, may glass eh.
Okay.
Yan, glass ka dyan. Wait
Ah.
lang. Nakakagalaw ko. Ayan,
Jump.
sabihin ko sa'yo, kakapag-dash.
Ay, sorry.
Isa ba?
Ah.
Ready?
Game.
Dash ha, dash.
Hmm.
Dash ka na, go.
Shit. Isa lang.
Oh, wala pa! Yan, sabihin mo kapag dash ka na, ikaw magbilang.
Go. Okay, go. Nice. Paano ka? Dito sa kabila. Ako. Ay! Go, babe. Ikaw magsabi.
Go. Mali. Okay. Go.
Oh my God, sorry.
Ikaw mabilis. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ay, gago, di ko na. Sorry. Di ko na pindot pala, gago.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nice.
Gago, may galit. Hindi ko nakakahilo.
Uy! Oo nga.
Oh. Parang ina-unbook.
Is this a fire hazard?
Nasa loob na tayo ng... Ano?
Okay. Nakita mo yun, yung pababa? Punta ka doon sa pababa na yun.
Ito.
Yan.
Tapos, talo na ako.
Ako.
Okay. Diyan niya yung pinangan. Ang cute. Oh, gago. Napisa tayo nung...
Hindi ka nga, bakit?
Eh,
Ay, gago, concept. Malit lang.
Iyoy! Tusok ka.
A little too much.
Tapos, saan?
Kailangan may iwan. Sabihin mo kapag ikaw magbilang.
Okay. Game. Okay. Ito.
Tutok mo nga dyan sa wind.
Dito.
Kabila. Yan. Tutok mo.
Ito.
Yan. Yes. Hindi, babag mo yung angat. Yan, kaya malaki. Okay, sige, pwede pa. Ayuyuko ako dapat.
Crouch.
Parang mag-crouch.
B sa akin eh.
Gago. Puta, kailangan tayo double jump. Okay. Wait, ano nga?
Sorry.
Left mo. Yeah, i-left mo.
Ah.
Left. Sige pa, sige pa. Hindi, ipan mo lang. Okay, EF. Sige, EF, EF, EF pa. Sige pa, sige pa. Sige pa. Sige pa. Up! Bobo. Double jump pala dapat talaga. Wait lang.
Crouch.
EF. EF. Sige pa. Up. Dandan. Pati pa. Up.
Nice.
Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang, wait lang.
Go. Ano yun? Ipis ba yun? Ay, hindi.
Wait lang po, wait lang.
Go lang.
Wait lang. Parang mas maganda sa akin mag ano, keyboard and mouse.
Go balo.
Saan dumaan?
Dito, sa gilid. Ano yun?
Wait lang,
Go, babe.
Single. Dash. Wait lang, wait lang.
Go.
Oo. Sama?
Alin? Nakapos sa akin?
Ay, hindi kita.
Hindi po.
Hindi kita yung ginagawa ko. Gusto mo
Dito.
gawing Japanese yung audio?
Pwede din. Sige, go.
Wait lang. Input, jump, dash, left shift, ground punch, left control, grapple, toggle sprint, caps lock. Tinang yun. Anong katarantaduhan yung caps lock ang puta? Wait lang. Ano nangyari?
Tumaas yung may kahoy. Ikaw yata rin, tapos tatalon ka. Ewan ko.
Pag umalis ako, bababa.
Ah,
So, ano ka muna?
dito, dyan muna ako.
Tayo
Ako ba?
ka muna dun sa kahoy. Tayo ka dun sa kahoy. Yan.
Go, babe. Nice. Game ka na?
Wait lang, wait lang.
Keyboard?
Mag-keyboard ako.
Sige. Bakit di mo bet controller?
Hindi ko bet yung dash, naiirita ako.
Okay.
Hindi, baka pwede kong baguhin. Wait lang.
Alam ko pwede yun eh.
Dash. Wait kasi yung pwede naman kasing trigger yung dash. Paano nang gagawin?
Pinapag-game na.
Ano yan? Tataas din siya. Ano yan?
Nagkabaliktad. So, dapat pasok ka dun sa kung saan ako, ano.
Pasok ako rito.
Yan.
Okay.
Tapos, lalabas ka dun eh. Yun. Tama.
Okay.
Nice.
Hey, get down here, vacuum.
Nag-controller ako ulit. Pero
Okay.
pagka nairita na lang ako siguro.
Go, babe. Go.
Yun.
Nag-shoot tayo.
Ah, I think we could use some of this dust.
Tapon mo lahat. Ay, ano mo lahat ng bowl. Ano ba yung bowl? What?
Saan pa? Hindi ko alam eh.
I-shoot dito. Tingnan mo yung pop ko.
Hindi, pero... okay.
Puta, wait. Puta.
Wala!
Go, 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 go.
Natakin na! Natakin yan kahit maging mali!
Kailangan mag-overload siya.
Hindi
Yan,
nakatutok.
wala na.
Okay na.
Stable na siya.
Ah. Hindi.
Talk about dead weight.
Okay, kailangan ano. Kailangan...
Pares tayo.
Pusher ako.
Nangarap na ba si Cody? Ay, hindi. May boss. Final boss.
You destroyed my digestion! And you put me away to rot in the air! Now you will both die!
No, wait. I can still fix you. I can make you work again.
No more lies!
No, she's right. She's an engineer. A really good one. You are. You're very good. Ah, hey, vacuum. Are you really gonna believe that, huh? Because I would not.
Don't listen to him. Once I get my real body back, I can fix you.
Oh, is that so? Then why did you buy the expensive Turbo X2000, huh?
Hey!
What? You've
Pinapalit.
replaced me with a Turbo X2000? A pretentious French like you who can't even suck properly. I'll show you who's the best sucker.
Okay, I'm out of here.
Ah, shit. Ano gagawin? Alam ko may ability tayo.
See your father?
Ah!
Now you pick up the
Why?
How many of these does he have?
You should stay broken.
Paano, babe? Anong gagawin? Hindi, bumabalik lang tayo. Kailangan yata natin gamitin. Yee! Paano natin siya madadamage? Gamitin natin. Ayan. Taas mo, babe. Pwede ba itaas sa kanya?
Hindi. Diyan ka sa taas, diyan ka sa taas.
Ah,
Tapos, babacuuming ko yung mga, yan, yung mga debris.
Okay.
Ako sa taas, ikaw magtutok.
Ah.
Gusto mo ako magtutok sa taas?
ako na magtututok sa taas.
Go.
Ayan.
Close off the burns.
Tapos, alright!
Ah, vacuum. Ah, shit. Black and white.
Ganun lang ulit. Sabihin mo kapag nakatutok ka na.
Okay. Go.
Close off the burns.
Ay, put! Double jump tapos dash.
Okay.
Like for more, Jimmy Dong.
Sabihin mo lang kapag nakatutok ka na.
I am the strongest man.
Go.
Oh, I wasn't made for this.
Ayan na, gagawin niya naman.
I still have to strength.
Yee! Gago.
Pwede ka mag-dash, pwede ka mag-air dash.
Suck on this.
Suck on this. Suck my unit.
Ay, puputok pala yun.
Go, nakatutok na, babe.
Suck man. What do you mean, you people? Shit. Oh my god.
Oh my God!
Survive.
Fuck! May mga pagkano na pa. Ah, sige. Okay.
I don't want this junk in there.
Ready.
Oh, I wasn't made for this.
Keep it going!
Jump.
Pwede crouch yata eh. Fuck.
Hindi, mag-survive lang ako.
Like you should stay broken.
Kailangan lang hindi tayong dalawang mamatay eh.
Just for you.
Okay.
Okay. Ready.
Close off the burns.
How do you like that?
Okay, jump ha.
No, you got this. Suck on this.
Ay, putang ina. Baliktad.
Sige lang.
Go.
Drowning around.
Survive, babe. Shit.
Now you pick up.
Survive.
I don't see a fire back there.
Okay. Pinapag-game na.
Ready.
Ay!
Press mo yung Y.
Ito na.
Go back again.
Shit. Ready.
Go. Nice.
No, please!
Hey, he stopped.
Time to finish this.
Too much air. You're putting us in the way.
Oh gosh.
You think this is too much?
Kind of. They tried to kill us.
Sorry, vacuum.
Oh my god. Sorry, oh my god.
Damn vacuum. Come on, we have to find Rose before she leaves.
I hope she knows what's happened to us.
Well, she must know something. I mean, she made these dolls.
She made these?
Yeah.
Well, why did she make them look like us?
I don't know.
Why didn't you tell me about them?
Well, why would I? She's a kid. She plays with all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I suppose so. Well, come on, let's find her. Where are we?
You should know. You use this place.
I haven't been in here for ages. Plus, everything looks different.
Press mo dito, babe.
It's like some
Naka-record ka.
Twisted version of reality.
Bumalik tayo.
Okay.
Tapos. Supot. Saan ka? Paano? Taas? Ah,
Hey,
Yan, double
over
jump.
here.
Double jump tapos ano.
Look, it's Rose.
layo nung ang dami natin pinagdaanan. Doon na.
She can't hear us.
Oh no.
How are we gonna get over there now? I can help. What? What was that?
Who was it?
I don't know. Over here. Look, I know the way.
Flashlight?
I'll take you there if you help me save my friends.
What friends?
My
Sa
two
martilyo.
friends who used to be
Yung
important
ulo.
taking care of- That human locked us up in her toolbox and left.
You mean May's toolbox?
Yes, yes. That
Ano ba
heartless
yung
woman.
controller
Do
ko?
you know her?
Well,
No, he doesn't.
Anyway, I heard
Pwede mo
that
ba siyang
heartless
i-ano,
woman
gamitin
only lives up in town and doesn't have time
using
for
cord?
hobbies anymore.
Who cares about
Ayan, nagamit
hobbies?
ko. Ewan,
You know how
hindi
painful
siya
it is to
naka-charge
die
pero.
from rust? It's
Ewan ko, baka
burning
nag-deactivate lang
alive,
siya. Oh.
slowly.
Look, Hannah.
Pag namatay ulit, hindi yan.
Ah, pause mo lang or stop mo
We
na
can help
tayo.
save your friends, but only if you can get us to Rose
Pwede
over
mo lang
there.
mag-keyboard.
Okay, it's a
Ah,
deal.
sige.
Pick me up. Okay? Now go to that big door over there. Pull that nail out. We're gonna need it.
Okay, here goes.
Whoa! Where'd it go? Just whistle. What? Really? Oh, cool. We got a flying nail and a talking hammer. Let's go.
Pero mas mabigat pa kay May yung ano, martilyo.
Be careful with that
RT.
nail, Cody. I don't want it in my eye.
Okay, don't drop
Ay,
that
sorry.
on my toe.
Don't worry, I know how to handle tools.
Oh, yeah, well, me too.
Last
Babe,
time,
why?
Hannah, you smashed your own thumb.
Yeah, well,
Nagana pala sa'yo, sorry.
but I'm in charge of the nail now.
Okay, okay.
Ah, yan sa'yo, RT, kayong taga-throw. Ooh.
What the fuck?
Andito yung nail mo.
Recall name.
Ah, okay. Ay!
Do I look like a nail to you?
Sorry. Paano?
Hindi ko alam ano gagawin.
Sabay tatalon? Hindi, isa lang pwede kasi nung dalawa tayo nahulog ako eh. Ikaw muna, babe. Ah, hindi, ikaw lang talaga pwede kasi ako lang yung may
Hindi.
hammer.
Alam mo yun, matilin mo.
Ah, nice.
Tapa nga, matilin mo. Ah, okay, okay.
May switch doon. Ayun.
Game?
Game.
Matilin mo. Ah, go. Tawid ka na ulit.
Ah, okay. Nice.
Ay, gagi.
Sorry na ano pala yun.
Ah.
Hey, maybe we can swing off that nail.
Ikaw naman. Ang hirap nung sa'yo. Pero ang cool kasi natatawag ko siya.
Oh, shit.
Akala-
Ah, ikaw kaya.
Anong gagawin ko?
Ikaw yung may hammer eh. Hindi ko alam. Jump ka nga doon tapos mag-eliminate mo.
What the fuck?
Ayun,
Wait lang.
hammer.
Oo nga no.
Oh, jump ka tapos hammer.
Steady now.
Oh. Ah, nalobat nga yung ano ko controller. Wait.
Ah, save. Ah, sige.
Sige lang, maglaro ka lang. Wait lang.
Kagi, hindi ako pwede. Ako lang mag-isa.
Hindi, ikaw connect ko naman.
Okay, okay. Babe?
Tatalon ka, baliw.
Ah, okay. Ulit.
Timingan mo.
Kala ko antayin kita.
Yung dash! Yung dash!
Shit, fuck. Ulit. Support, mali timing. Ulit. Up. Nice.
Sweet moves. I like your style, man.
Oh, thanks, Hannah.
Paano ka?
Hammer mo nga yung yellow. Ano mo yun?
Yellow. Ito?
Yan.
Ano nakalagay pero... Wala. Ah, shit. Wala. Ano nakalagay, babe?
Alam mo ano gagawin ko?
This is so satisfying.
Ano tayo gagawin?
Nakalagay, may nakalagay na green. Bakit? Ano yan? Yung...
Ah, okay.
hammer ako ulit.
Hammer.
Oop.
Hold on tight.
Tapos, ano ako?
Dito ulit.
Wait lang, wag ka kung point lang. Masyadong malayo.
There's another
Yo.
nail. Let's go get it. Yoo-hoo! Still over here. Hello? The bridge, please.
Hey.
mo siya.
Hey, need a hammer.
Yeah! Ammunition!
Sweet! More ammunition.
Oo nga.
Kahit hindi lang kami.
Baby ko yung tataas.
Alam ka na. Hindi, magpili mo. Ayan.
Go, go, go!
Hindi. Tinitingnan ko kasi nito. Ayan.
Nice.
Wait lang. Next. Wow!
Nice.
Sharpshooter.
Paano yung ano mo? Okay. Isa lang yung nakuha. Oh, dalawa. Nice.
Ludo, ano ako boso?
Ah.
Yung tawa-tawa mo, ah? Ano?
Ala, naulol na ako.
All right.
Ala, gago!
I think I'm gonna reset. Hey, do that.
You're not helping.
What
Now.
There are no relationships without challenges. Challenges make you grow. What is it with you? Can't you just leave us alone?
May animation din yung nails. Galing.
Face a challenge. You always learn something new. So remember, when you hear this sound, follow it. Keep following it, and you will find the challenge you seek. Yeah. Welcome to your first couples challenge. Win or lose, you must do it together. Well, I guess we're gonna have to. All right, you wanna give it a try?
We haven't got time for this.
Oh, you afraid of losing?
Me? Huh, no way. Bring it on.
Oh, I'm gonna bring it.
Waka Cody.
Okay.
Keep Cody.
Watch your head, Cody.
Oh, you won't beat me. I'm faster than a monkey.
My hammer's faster than that.
Ah!
Too slow.
Ah, kailangan ano, buo, gago.
You missed.
Natatawa ako.
Not too fast for you.
I'll be your next
Be,
time.
lugi ka eh, kasi ano eh. Tama ba? Piling ko lugi ka eh. Kasi,
Ay, ano ba? May score ba to?
meron.
I mean, may dapat bang manalo?
Oo, kung sino yung, kung mas marami akong points na umangat ako, tapos
Ah.
hindi mo ako ng, hindi mo ako na hammer.
Ah.
Yama.
Simple.
Easy. Ah!
Hey,
Yeah.
please.
Oh, do.
Ah!
Nothing to it. Yes,
Ah, dapat
Okay,
patas.
okay, 1-1 ha?
2 against 1.
Game.
Game.
I'm sending you home packing, Cody. There we go.
Oh. I got
That's
this.
right.
Hirap.
Nataranta na ako.
Yama.
Next.
Oh shit!
That's it.
Cool.
Yes, Cody.
Go
you
pa.
won.
Okay.
You wait.
Well played.
Ba't ang tagal?
Hindi, hindi ka naka ano eh.
Hindi, I mean, ano bang goal dito? May dapat bang manalo?
Wala lang, parang couple challenge lang yan.
Ah, tapos? Ah, pwede pala eh, mag-ano eh. Okay.
Ano na, alis na tayo, ganun yun.
Oo.
Hey, Meg, come here.
Ah, hindi, okay, sino ganito. Okay ako.
Okay na yun, babe.
Hindi kasi nandun pa rin yung sign kanina naman.
Okay.
Ngayon wala na, nandun ngayon. So 1 point lang kasi kung kada ano, di ba? Kada 2.
Ah,
Pero ikaw 2 points ka kapag natamaan mo.
ah.
Ah, the sweet sounds of machinery. There's nothing better.
Ah, nice. Yan pa ulit, babe. Pa ako ulit.
Wait lang. Martiluin ka ba dyan? Ay, baba ka dyan.
Ah, meron.
Ay, martilyo yung ata.
There's another machine in the way here, Cody.
Easy on me.
Ikaw ulit. Pa ako.
Ano to?
Wala pa ako mo to, babe. Yung sa high voltage ulit.
Hindi. Martiloy mo nga ulit, Emil.
Ay.
Ay, putya. Saba. Sorry.
Ah,
Ah,
baka nakalimutan mo tawagin yung mga ano mo ha.
mga.
Mga pako mo, babe. Di mo tinawag. Kahit wala bang range yun?
Madali lang naman tawag. Meron kang something na ano.
Dito muna.
Galing mo na, babe, ah.
Ooh. Thanks, babe.
Be careful now, Meg.
Yeah. Hody, don't screw this
Wait
up.
lang, ano ba gagawin ko?
Just get to jumping.
Baka ano yan? Paano? Hindi ako nagalaw eh. Ikaw lang eh. Hanggat wala ka napapako.
May napako na ako. Ayan, tatalong ka dyan, oh. Ngayon, sunod
Hindi nagabago yung pop ko. Kaya napako muna. Ayaw ano meron.
Tatalong muna kayo. Yung gumagalaw.
Ay, gago.
Ano yun? Dapat ba akong gawin?
Ah!
May dapat ba akong
Shit.
ipako? Wait lang, ah. Sorry. Wait lang, ah.
Go.
Ano parang kuko ba ito, man? Okay. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Nice.
Wait lang.
Okay. Tinay ko lang din. Ubalik-balik sa ulo. Ay, fuck. Pinapag-game na. Ay,
Alay,
gago. Maano pala.
Akala ko naka-ready yung isa ko pang ano. Ayan. Wait lang.
Ah,
Go. Ay, mali! Oh, sorry.
go lang.
Okay. Wait lang. Go.
Okay. Ayan. Hindi kasi nakagalaw yung pop ko eh.
Tama eh.
Pak! Shit.
Dali.
Go lang. Okay.
Nice.
one.
Wait lang. Mali. Wait lang. Huwag kang tatalo na. Wait lang. Ang hirap kasi mag-in.
Alam ka.
Ayan. Talong ka lang dyan.
Ah! Shit. Kalimutan ko mag...
Wait lang. Go.
Your own slide.
Sorry.
Sliding saw blades.
Oh my God!
No! Ayan, tatlo na. Nice.
Got it. That makes 3.
Wait lang. Saan ako ano? Ang gagawin ko?
Crouch. Magpako ka? Para... Ay, kasi saan? Metal eh. Ay, teka. Meron akong pipindutin dito. Ano to?
Ano nangyayari?
Sige. Wait. Wala, hindi siya nag-deter. At ganun. Talan, babe.
Wait lang.
Tinatry ko lang.
Andiyan ako!
Nice!
Asan yung daan? Dali.
Oh, great. Another trust exercise.
What? You think I'm gonna miss?
I hope
Go
not.
lang.
Makakakit ka ba dyan? Alam ko na. Talong ka. Yan. Dali! Parkour.
Parkour! Babe!
Dali. Ay, tumigil ka muna!
Alaglag ako!
Oh!
Sorry. Nag-enjoy sa parkour.
Wala. Ayaw mo yung... Joke lang.
Ay, sorry. Shit.
Ngayon naman, kinulang sa parkour. Mali. Wait lang. Ay, mali. Wait lang.
Fuck! Sorry, na-excite ako.
parkour. Sa taas. Yan, yan, dyan ka lang. Dali ah.
Okay.
Maintain mo lang ah.
Nababa ako, bebe.
Hindi, balik ka. Ulit. Yan. Wait, sa pa. Go. Wait lang. Dali.
Kailangan ko ulit tumaas to. Isa. Yep.
Ayan.
Yan.
Lang.
Another ulit.
Sa left. Right. Yan.
Fuck! Shit, sorry, babe. Ulit. Oh my God!
Hindi, sinadya ko yun. Konting parusa lang.
Nakalimutan ko mag-dash. Shit, sorry, oh my God!
Go. Okay lang. Maintain. Okay, go. Wait lang. Go. Nice, wait lang. Balik.
Nice. Fuck! Oh my God! Fuck.
Wait lang.
Putang ina! Oh my God, babe, sorry. Okay.
You know, you two have pretty good teamwork.
I don't know about that.
Saan ako bababa? Dito. May pa ako dito. Ay, may ano ba? Okay.
Thanks.
There's the toolbox.
Galit na galit. Gusto manakit.
Help me break it open. I don't think it's like that. In a hurry! It's getting away. We have to catch it.
Final boss? Oh, shit.
Let's get that grimy toolbox.
Ay, ito? Ano yun ko?
Hang in there, tool buddies. We're coming to save you.
Paano natin siya matadamage? Oh my God! Impold. Saan ka, babe?
Toolbox, stop playing hard to catch.
Akala ko siya na yung final boss.
You'll never get away with this, you stupid toolbox.
Oh my God! Shit! Fuck. My God. Tapos?
Pang!
Okay.
Go easy on me.
Tataranta ako.
Sige lang, ganun lang ulit. Gustamin mo nga lang siya. Meron ba akong pwedeng gawin para matulungan ko? Char! Nice! Meron pa ulit, isa ito. Sa akin. Hindi, just in case lang pala na may naiwan. Okay.
Tapos?
May panel, ito.
Oh my God.
Yan, takbo lang.
He's getting away. Faster, Ray, faster.
I'm trying, but you're a bit heavy-headed.
Oh my God.
Oh, shit. Survive.
Galing. Bug ba to? Oh shit.
Okay, safe ako. Go lang, sige lang. Iwas lang ako sa mga kapat. Focus ka lang dyan. Okay. Wait lang.
Hindi, may pimartilyohin ako dito.
Ang martilyo na siya, okay?
Ah, magka-parkour lang dyan. Ayan. Ah!
May mamatilyoin ko ulit. Go, 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 go. Ah, nalaglag ako. Sorry, survive.
Okay. Ah! Paano?
Ah, okay, okay.
Tapip, tapip! Yeah, nice.
Good. Now get me to the other side.
Ah, wait.
Oh! Fuck. Yan.
Saba, saba.
Shit,
Okay lang,
shit, shit.
okay lang. Ganun lang naman attack pattern niya eh. Oh, tapos mag-i-swing siya. Sa talo tayo. Go.
Ang gagawin ko. Ah, okay. Ah! Ay, gago, pinalit niya ako. Uy! Uy, gago, gago!
Kunti yung
Babe! Wala, gago, may ganun. Oh my god! Ah! Diretso ako sa siya, ano, gago, sa butas.
Ah, shit.
Fuck. Ulit. Shit, eh. Puta. Shit.
Wala, pusang niya. Ano ba, ano? Yan. Jump. Pag tinaas niyo yung kamay niya, jump na agad.
Ready now?
Tang, ina ka.
Ano eh, nag-cool down eh.
Hindi, ako yun.
Limit yung
Pako.
Wala. Wala, mas natatanggal siya ng pusa kasi boss fight eh.
Putang, ina naman. Ah,
Sige lang, okay lang. Go.
Hold on tight. We're gonna crack you open. Watch out!
Okay.
puta.
Ulit, sa bata yan. Ay, ganun, tuloy siya ulit.
Oh, shit.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang. Go, babe. Lapit ka ba doon?
Putang ina. Hindi ka makalapit eh. The fuck?
Oh!
Saan punta? Oh, balik doon.
That's gotta hurt.
Oo. Meron pa? Tigas ah.
Can we talk about this no more?
We're long past negotiating, Cody.
Ah, paisa-isa yung target. Ikaw naman next. Pako. Ay, ako. Fuck. Tangina. Sobra sa talon. Tangina.
Kailangan lagyan ko ng pako yung yellow, tapos mamartilyo yung...
Hindi ba ka martilyo lang? Kailangan.
Okay, go! Tira lang nagawa ko, sorry.
Ay, gago. Tangina nun. Hindi tayo pwede. Ah, fuck. Shit.
Hey, get me back up there!
Go, babe.
Dalawang tira lang. Dalawang tira
Survive.
lang nagawa.
We're running out of real estate here!
Oh my god. Alis. Ako naman. Ikaw naman.
Cody, hop on and finish off that breaker.
Go. Nice one.
Hey, look at that!
Nice.
Yes, I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. Ooh, it tickles. It tickles. There you go. Thank you.
Oh, yes.
I feel brand new. Look at me. I'm whole. I'm whole. You saved us from that rusted toolbox. Thank you, May. You are a true hero.
Oh, thank you, Hammer.
Hey, what about me? Huh? I was part of this too. Where's my hero love? Did you see that explosion?
Anyway, we still have to get to Rose.
Oh, of course, of course. Sebastian, can you help him out? They have to get to the other side.
What?
Whoa.
Oh,
Flexible. Step on board.
really?
Okay, you sure? Come on, it's safe.
Okay. Ooh.
This doesn't feel safe. I'm not sure. Just relax.
Okay.
Don't worry. He's very precise. Sebastian, sling it.
Oh no, she's leaving.
Rose, wait! We need your help!
It's us, Mum and Dad. Don't close the
Oh.
No! Help us out! Rose! Oh, you stupid book!
Oh, you've locked us in, you idiot.
Now we're stuck in here.
Stuckness is a mental construct. If you stare at the closed door, you will miss the one that's open.
Okay, FYI, there is only one door in this shed.
And one window.
Good thinking, May. Woo! Let's go to the window. Woo!
Book is out of his mind, okay?
Ayoko muna matapos ng laro. Babe, gusto mo pa?
Invite ko lang.
Right, free? Ah, okay. Whee! Whee! Ah,
Hindi, inano ko lang to. Itong
Okay.
slide na to. Tapos,
whee!
Yeah, very cool, but just don't fall off.
Don't worry. I'm pretty good. Don't worry. I'm pretty
famous last words.
Me too. Woohoo!
Ano gawin? Ah, okay.
Whee! Whee!
May kuryente ah.
Whee! Ah, fuck. Whee!
Ingat sa kuryente.
Whee!
Okay na ako. Di dyan, babe, lilipat ka. Yan. May kuryente dyan ah, ingat.
Putang ayang talon yan.
Kahit mag-jump ka lang, hindi ka yata madi-disconnect dun sa parang ano, wire.
Ah,
Tama ba? Na-disconnect ka?
hindi ko sure.
Pagka-jump lang yung ginawa mo, parang hindi ka na ano. Ayun, jump.
Oo.
Hindi mo kailangan.
Okay, save na natin muna. Ha? Ano yan?
Wait na.
Oo, kasi ba matapos agad yung laro.
Okay.
Thanks, babe.
Sige din, babe.